Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your phone number with Google Voice, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Voice website. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see the Google Voice homepage. Look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to choose a Google Voice number. If you want to verify an existing phone number instead, click on the Verify option. Enter the phone number you wish to verify. Make sure to include the area code. After entering your number, click Send Code. You will receive a text message or a phone call with a verification code. Check your phone for the code. Once you have the code, return to the Google Voice web page. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, your phone number will be successfully verified. If you encounter an error, double-check the number entered and try again. Once verified, you can start using Google Voice services with your phone number. Explore the features available, like messaging and voicemail management. Remember to adjust your settings as needed to optimize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.